We came out today. It's pure ice. Look how cold it got last night, y'all.
That is a common surgery here, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, pretty common.
So, madali lang. Ilang oras lang? How many hours?
The procedure?
Mm-hmm.
Should only be an hour. Good morning, everybody. So, we just woke up this morning. We are heading out to do Jessa's glucose test. And this is pretty crazy here. Check this out. I don't know. Check this out. We came out today. It's pure ice. Look how cold it got last night, y'all. I mean, that's pure ice. You know, we get ice here, right? It gets cold, but I mean, that's really cold. For it to do that, it got really cold out. Crazy, right?
Hello guys, good morning. Nandito na kami ngayon sa ospital. And glucose test ko ngayon. Tapos may mga iba pa akong laboratory test. So medyo madami kaming test ngayon. Sa akin lang pala. Si Travis. Sobrang lamig guys. And by the way, meron nga palang operation si Travis. Pag-pray niyo si Travis. Meron siyang operation this Friday. Yes. So, ano yun? Tawag nito hernia operation. Common surgery naman daw. Sabi ko nga, di ba, operahan si Travis sa Friday. Ano naman siya? Common surgery. Ano yun ba yung hernia?
Yeah.
Surgery. That is a common surgery here, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, pretty common.
So, madali lang. Ilang oras lang? How many hours?
The procedure?
Mm-hmm.
Should only be an hour.
Yeah, so I will take that day off and then I'll wait him here because I have to drive him back home.
Yeah.
So, ayun. Pag-pray nyo siya, guys. Sabi niya, wag ko daw siya pagtawanan after ng... Sabi niya kanina. So, ayun. Ayun lang ang update. Nandito kami ngayon. Sarado pa sila. I think 7 sila nag-open. Pero 7:30 talaga yung ano ko, yung... 7:30 ata yung schedule ko. Pero pwede man dito mag-walk-in din. Kaso sarado pa. Yan. Sarado pa. So mag-wait muna kami. Kailangan ko inumin to guys in 5 minutes. Oh my gosh. Try natin kung ano lasa. So amoy orange siya. Tignan natin kung anong lasa niya. Ang dami nagsasabi ayaw daw nila nitong drink na to. Pero ang sarap para sa akin. Orange yung flavor niya. Orange din yung lasa niya talaga. Wala pang 5 minutes maubos ko na to. So guys, ininom ko yung drink na pinapainom niya sa akin. Ang sarap man. Ang dami nagsasabi ayaw nila yung glucose drink na mga ganun. Siguro ibang brand yung ano nila. Pero ayun, naubos ko agad siya. Inungga ko talaga siya. Sarap kay orange flavor man siya. So, sabi ko sa babae, masarap man. Sabi niya, ikaw lang unang nagsabi niyan. Siguro sinasabi nila iba daw lasa, pangit siguro. Pero para sa akin, okay yung lasa niya. Ngayon, pupunta kami food court para kakain siya. Pero hindi pa ako pwede kumain.
A few moments later.
Pauwi na kami tapos na kukuhaan ng dugo. And balik kami dito ng Friday. Kinuha nila ako ng dugo. 3 tube ata yun. So after ko uminom ng glucose drink na yun guys. Tawag nito nag-antay kami ng 1 hour. Tapos bumalik ako sa front desk. Tapos yun, kinuhaan ako ng dugo. Hindi ko alam, ganun ata talaga. Mag-aantay ka ng 1 hour after mo uminom. So, sakay muna kami ngayon. Punta kami sa parking lot. Nakauwi na kami guys. Katatapos ko lang sa appointment ko. Ito kami ngayon. Tignan nyo naman ang cute ng ano ko. Oh. Taray, may basket ako dito para sa oil ko. Para sa... Gagamitin ko tong coconut oil. So, papasok kami ni Travis. May work kami today. We'll see you later. What we got?
Amazon.
Ayan.
Your
Ang prenatal. Kanina pa pala kami nakauwi, guys.
3
What is that?
It must be lint rollers.
Kindly? Kindly? Hi, Kindly. Oh, look at you. You really want to help Daddy to open the box, huh?
Nice. We each get our own lint roller.
Oh, that's a bigger one. Babe, ang ingay. Where's the ano?
The buying knife.
Yeah. Nanonood kami nitong The Frog, ang ingay. What is that? Kindly! Kindly! Say hi! Say hi to everyone. Babe,
Look who it is.
say hi nga.
Hi.
Good morning, guys! Are you ready, babe, for tomorrow? Operation day ni Travis bukas.
No, I guess it's as ready as I can be.
Huh?
It's as ready as I can be.
Kinsley! Come kiss mommy! Come here, my pretty girl. Come here. Come here. Oh. Morning. Oh my gosh, may muta ang baby. May muta. Ala, may muta mo, girl. Hi, baby. Daddy's gonna take you outside.
No, mommy is. Okay,
Huh?
mommy's gonna get daddy's breakfast ready.
Okay.
Okay.
Ang sarap na tulog niya kagabi, panay hilik eh.
Sige pa.
Ha? Natatawa kay Travis, sabi niya, gawa ko siya tinapay. Nakalimutan namin mag-grocery kahapon, guys. My gosh.
Yeah, you're gonna have to go by yourself. I'm gonna be incapacitated.
Oh, eh. You can still come with me, babe.
I won't be able to do anything.
Yeah, but you can still walk. It's better to walk, right?
It depends on if I can.
Oh, eh?
First couple days is gonna be hard.
I think you can. Maybe it's better for you to walk it.
They said for the first couple days I should walk at home before going out because my muscles give out. That means you'll have to carry me. I don't think you can do that.
No. Me and Eliana will carry you? Huh?
Good luck.
Yeah.
You have to
Huh?
drag me.
So, bukas na yung operation niya, guys. Mag-pray niya si Travis. Good morning, guys! Ay, gising lang talaga namin, guys. And maglalagay ako ngayon ng oil ko sa tiyan, pati sa boobs ko. Nagkaroon na talaga ako ng stretch mark sa boobs ko, guys. So, ito yung nilalagay ko nga pala. Ngayon, dinagdagan. Kasi ito hindi ko nagagamit, yung coconut oil. Nakatambak lang siya. Sabi ni Travis, gamitin ko daw, baka daw maganda. Tapos, ito yung talaga yung bio oil madalas kong ginagamit. Pero yung Palmer's, hindi masyado. So, ayan. Maglalagay muna tayo ng langis. No? Gustuhan niya yung... Ay, bakit? Oh my gosh! Kiss mommy. You want kisses? I love you. Kiss mommy. I love you. I love you. So, si Travis kinakabahan yan para bukas. Are you nervous about it tomorrow?
I'm always nervous to be knocked out and have surgery.
So, kung tatanungin niyo ako, syempre, kinakabahan din ako. Pero ayoko ipakita sa kanya na, ayun, diba?
What happens to you if I don't wake back up?
Right? So, ayoko ipakita na, ayun nga, na natatakot ako or what. Pero sabi niya naman, common surgery, pero nakakatakot pa rin, diba? So, wala, dasal lang talaga yun. And, si Lord na bahala. Pero nandun naman ako after ng surgery, kasi mag-aantay ako doon sa ospital. Tapos, ako yung magdadrive pa uwi kasi nga hindi siya makapag-drive after ng surgery. So, sabi niya, mga ilang oras lang naman daw. Pero ilang oras yun? How many hours?
The surgery?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe 1
Bakit mo
hour. The surgery
Huh?
should only be about 1 hour.
So, mga 1 hour lang daw yung surgery.
Give or take.
Wala, babe, look at my nose. Parang lumala ka ilong ko.
Aww. You see?
Eh, paano? So, mga 1 hour lang daw. Nag-take talaga ako ng day off para bukas. Dahil nga yun, sinabi ko, may surgery yung asawa ko, ganun. So, 1 day lang naman. Pero, si Travis, 2 weeks siya, or 2 weeks, you have 2 weeks, di ba? 2 weeks,
yeah.
2 weeks kang off para mag-recover siya. So, nandito siya mga 2 weeks.
Technically, I won't go back to work till after Christmas.
Till after Christmas?
Yeah.
So, nandito siya ng Christmas. Tapos, siguro mga 2 weeks din, ganun. So, yun. Sana maging okay yung ano niya. Alam ko naman magiging okay, di ba? So, maganda na yung maging positive tayo. So, yun. Balitaan namin kayo or baka mag-vlog na lang kami bukas. Kung anong ganap namin bukas, syempre. Babalitaan ko kayo about sa operation ni Travis tomorrow. Yeah. You'll be fine.
Yeah, I think it'll be alright.
Yeah.
It's robotic assisted too, so like robots will go in while the doctor controls it and they do the stitching and
Alam
stuff.
niyo naman dito sa Amerika, guys, puro mga technology na, 'di ba? Dito mga high-tech na talaga yung mga ano nila, yung mga gamit nila. Sabi ko nga, paano pag nagkamali yung robot? Alam mo yung iniisip mo, paano pag nagkamali yung... what about if the robot, ano ba, like malfunction or whatever, has a problem, and then, what are they gonna do?
Then I mean, I guess you're gonna be living alone.
Alam mo yun, para napapraning ka. Yung tinanong ko agad sa kanya, sabi ko, grabe, tiwala sila talaga sa robot, tapos paano kung ano mangyari, ganun. Pero sabi niya, hindi daw. Madami na daw silang ginagawang operation na ganun. So, wala naman daw nangyaring ganun. Sabi ko, kahit na, ang hirap pa rin magtiwala, di ba? So, ayun guys, babalitaan namin kayo bukas kung anong ganap or anong mangyayari after ng surgery ni Travis. So, mag-breakfast muna kami guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you again next time. Bye!
See ya.